Greetings. This is a quick demonstration of Moodle exporting gift questions with embedded objects, O-B-J-E-C-T-S. My name's Dennis Daniels, and I can correct my errors most of the time. Okay, in an earlier video you saw me import this text here and create this media, this very simple demonstration of embed tags within a test question. Now, let's F11 this so you get a little more real estate here. When we click View, we can see the question. Get all this nonsense. This is interesting. There's the category. Here's the test question. But it looks like it's also including something else, so I have no idea what it is. Well, I mean, I do. It looks like it's the code minus the embed tag. Object? No, that's the way it is. Okay, so we go back, and maybe this time it'll play. No, it's not going to play. But I embedded the question, and I choose the answer and submit, and there's my tag again, there's my information, and so I'm done. I can close this, I'm happy with it, it seems to work, close the preview. Now when I go back here, I decide that I want to share all my questions with my friends, so I'm going to export question to a file. For all you viewers at home, export question to a file. Right here, export questions to file, and it's actually identical to the import questions from top file, which is this. Now I'm just going to export the question to file there. Export as a gift, export questions to file, click, questions will be exported. Alright, now click to download the exported category file. I click on that. In a moment, it's going to prompt me, so I'll go ahead and click OK. That's fine. Now look at the difference between this file and this file. This is the one I imported, and this is the one that's been exported. Now some of this I can understand. This part is just a way for Moodle to identify itself. It's not gift. Well, it is gift, but it's not the same thing, obviously. So we can separate this part out. Test question, that's what I imported. But then it looks like it repeats itself here. Actually, this is probably the well, no, because then it repeats itself again here. And here is my question, or here's my, this is the closest thing to what I imported here, down here, except for the formatting where the wrong and the answers are all mixed up and this stuff is added. But this has been added and this has been added, which might point to why I was getting so much. Let's go back. Why I was getting, go back again, and when I preview the question, that probably wasn't the one. When I preview it, I get all this up here at the top. So it does work. You can import gift questions because this is what I imported. But when you export, that's what you get out. Now, of course, you've guessed it, I'm going to file save as, and I'm going to test to see what this looks like on the import. So let's change this, test, and save on the desktop so I can find it. And let's go import questions from file, and default, browse, let's go find that document, there it is. Upload this file, and see if it works as an import. Looks like it works. Ooh. Oh. So, importing doesn't work. test question, could not find, but that one does work, so I should have 2 questions now into my database. I do, 1, 2. But oh no, they're identical. So, let's see if this one also has the stuff at the top. Yes, it does. There it is. That's a quick demonstration of importing an embed question, the output. What is this? And what happens when you try to import? Or when you try to import these questions, you're going to get a lot of unnecessary stuff. Because it did try to import it, but this is what was generated by Moodle, and it didn't work as an import. So, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Dennis Daniels, and this has been a quick demo of Moodle exporting and importing gift questions with embedded objects. Thank you, and happy computing.